Hi YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. And Christmas Eve I primed this Mark II Escort up inside in epoxy primer, coloured one. You would have guessed it's going to be midnight blue. So the beauty of epoxy primer is it seals it heavy like things up like epoxy, so it don't react, and also weathers it, so it gives it a good weather protection. And also it highlights all the low spots and high spots and imperfection of the panels. As you can see, these are filler marks. These have been welded, low spots, etc, etc. So we smoothed it off. It's like over there, it's got loads of like welding plates, so we smoothed it off so you can't see no weld plates. I'll insert some pictures up. So now we're going to edge it and put in primer, custom paints primer. See that the dashboard's all like this, little dents, so we filled it, smoothed it off. Yes, custom paints primer, acrylic urethane primer, no polyester primer on this one. And then we'll flat the primer down and it will go into its own colour, like the proper top coat colour. For me to prime this up, acrylic urethane primer from Custom Paints has been laid on this shell, floor pan and coat. Let's have a quick look. You may ask, why did I prime it in the midnight purple epoxy primer and why is it black? Reason being, the product that we used for the epoxy primer, you can have it tinted, so why not take advantage? And also some of the edges, like up there, so now it's kind of like blue, so when I paint it, it's like less work. And also Custom Paint don't have coloured primers, they do black, white and grey. And now all the products going on this car now is Custom Paints product, so which this car needed inside. See all the plates and all that, that's all been taken out. Smooth. And this, the front grille has been removed, so we're going to paint it and then we're going to put the grille back on, stick it back on, bond it on, so it looks fresh. And this is the boot, clean. Admittedly, yeah, some people will be happy about this, but customer wanted it in the same colour as the car, so we're just going to flat it down, seal it all up. Of course the sealer's going back in, as soon as we flatted it, all the sealers going, fresh sealers going back into the places that we took out. So the dash all straightened.